Hi guys, welcome back to another English grammar exercise. Today's topic is ever versus never. It is so confusing when to use ever and when to use never. Let's understand together. First example, have you blank studied German question mark? So let's understand the difference when to use. Ever means at any time. Never means not. Sentence like this: have you ever blank question mark? I have never blank full stop. Alright. Have you blank studied German question mark? Here we have question mark at the end, so we use here ever. Have you ever studied German? I have blank seen a dolphin. Full stop. So this is the normal sentence with a full stop at the end. We use never here. I have never seen a dolphin. I have never seen a dolphin. Have you blank tried cooking question mark? Here is question mark and we use here ever. Have you ever tried cooking? I have blank drunk iced tea. Full stop. It is a normal sentence with full stop, so we use here never. This is the best book I have blank read. Full stop. This is the normal sentence with full stop at the end. So what do you think? We use never? No. This is incorrect. We have to use ever here because this is the superlative sentence. This is the superlative sentence. The rule says ever is also used in superlative sentence like when you say something is the best. Something is the best. The best, the most, the worst, and all these cases we use ever. So what is the difference between both of them? Are mostly used in present perfect tense. Both of them are mostly used in present perfect tense. Ever means at any time, never means not. Ever is mostly used in the question form like have you ever, and but never is used a normal sentence with full stop at the end. Let's see another example. She has never blank full stop. This is the first time I have blank eaten Italian pizza. Now guys, you tell me which one we have to use here. So let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.